This black Lenovo Ideapad L340 gaming laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. The laptop weighs only 2.2 kg, making it ideal for gamers on the go. Powered by the 9th generation Intel Core i5-9300H processor, the laptop allows you to play demanding games with ease. This laptop features an 8GB DDR4 RAM and a dedicated NVIDIA GTX 1050 3GB graphics, allowing you to game and stream without slowing down. With 8 MB Smart Cache, the laptop allows you to access frequently used apps faster. The laptop has 1 TB hard disk storage. The 45 Wh lithium-ion fast-charge battery, which powers this laptop, has a battery life of up to 9 hours on a single charge. The 15.6-inch Full HD display ensures clear and accurate visuals during gaming. The anti-glare technology and Lenovo Vantage Eye Care mode provides a comfortable viewing experience by reducing blue light. It comes with powerful Dolby audio for an immersive gaming experience. The innovative new cooling system and built-in dual-action fans ensures robust cooling performance. This laptop has 2 USB 3.1 ports, 1 USB Type-C port, 1 HDMI port, 1 audio out port, and 1 RJ45 LAN port for easy connectivity. This Lenovo Ideapad comes with adapter and user manual included in the box. The laptop comes with standard brand